Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee as pre-workout. First, understand that coffee's main active ingredient, caffeine, is a powerful stimulant. It works by blocking adenosine receptors in your brain, which helps you feel more awake and less tired. This can translate into better performance during your exercise routine, allowing you to push harder and maintain focus. It's a simple, natural way to get an edge. To prepare your pre-workout coffee, focus on strength and purity. A French press or a strong drip brew are ideal methods to extract maximum caffeine. Use about 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water to ensure a robust cup. Remember, the goal is a clean energy boost, so skip the sugary syrups and heavy creams. A splash of unsweetened almond milk is fine. Timing is crucial for maximizing coffee's pre-workout benefits. Drink your coffee about 30 to 60 minutes before you begin your exercise session. This allows enough time for the caffeine to be fully absorbed into your bloodstream. For most individuals, a dose of 3 to 6 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of body weight is effective. Always listen to your body and adjust the amount as needed. To further enhance your pre-workout coffee, consider a few simple additions. A pinch of cinnamon can help with blood sugar stability, and a teaspoon of MCT oil or coconut oil can offer sustained energy. Remember, while coffee provides a boost, it's not a substitute for proper hydration. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout to maintain optimal performance and recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.